Hi everyone, welcome to CHC Navigation Technical Video Channel. Today we are going to talk about the NTRIP feature of RTK. Before using NTRIP, we need to have a CORS account that can be used locally. When we can use NTRIP, we only need to carry the mobile station with us when we go out to work, and we don't have to calibrate the control points every day. Next, I'll explain the mode settings in detail. First, we create a new mode, click GNSS Rover, click New. Select NTRIP. At Network, you can select PDA Network Mode or Receiver Network Mode. If a SIM card is inserted in the handbook, you can use the PDA Network Mode. If you are using a host computer like i93, i83, etc. that can insert a SIM card, you can also choose to insert the SIM card into the receiver and select Receiver Network. Select a server. You can add commonly used server IP and port in this interface. Select a certain server, click Accept to apply, no need to enter multiple times. Of course, you can also choose to manually enter the domain IP and port, click Get Mount Point to get the access point, select the desired source list, enter the username and password and click Save and Apply. If the network of handbook or receiver is normal, you can get the access point normally. If prompted Get Information Timeout, please check whether domain IP and port are input correctly, and check whether the network of handbook and receiver is normal. Please note that if you want to set the APN of the receiver, please select APN in the Software Config interface, Advanced to set it, generally enter the access point and dial number. There is also an option to switch off Automatically Connect to CORS, NTRIP, so that when the receiver is next connected, NTRIP will not be automatically logged in, which will save a lot of money for some hourly rate NTRIP. This is all about the RTK NTRIP feature.